India is a land of breathtaking diversity, not just in its people and landscapes, but in its wildlife. Across this vast subcontinent, every corner tells a different story. One of ancient forests, snow-capped peaks, sun-drenched deserts, and lush river valleys. Each of these habitats is home to a dazzling array of life, but perhaps none are as enchanting as the birds that fill the air with color and song. Hidden among its forests, mountains, and coasts is a world alive with birds, over 1,300 species, making India a global avian hotspot. From the tiniest sunbirds to majestic eagles, these feathered residents create a living tapestry that is both vibrant and vital. From the icy Himalayas to the balmy southern shores, every region shelters unique feathered wonders. The high-altitude slopes echo with the calls of rare pheasants, while the wetlands of the east host flocks of migratory visitors. Birds here are more than beautiful. They pollinate, disperse seeds, and keep ecosystems in balance. Their songs mark the changing seasons, and their movements shape the very forests and fields they inhabit. Some migrate thousands of miles, braving storms and mountains to reach India's welcoming lands. Others never leave their valley, perfectly adapted to the rhythms of their home, each species a testament to nature's ingenuity. Imagine the flash of a pita on the forest floor, its jewel-like colors glinting in the dappled sunlight as it searches for insects among the leaves. Or a hornbill's powerful wings overhead, its massive beak carrying fruit to its nest high in the canopy, a symbol of the wild jungles it calls home. Birds mimic, build, and hunt in astonishing ways, each a marvel of evolution. Some weave intricate nests, others perform elaborate dances or mimic the sounds of the forest, all to survive and thrive. Today, we'll journey into this vibrant world, meeting India's most spectacular birds and uncovering their secrets. We'll explore their habitats, witness their behaviors, and discover the roles they play in the web of life. This is more than a search for beauty. It's a celebration of nature's delicate balance. Every bird, from the common sparrow to the rarest stork, is a vital thread in the fabric of India's wild places. Let's step quietly into their world and witness the magic of India's avian treasures, where every flutter and song tells a story of wonder, survival, and connection. Deep in India's forests, the Indian peafowl, our national bird, performs a legendary dance. The male's shimmering blue and green train, fanned in a breathtaking display, is nature's masterpiece of courtship. Each feather's eye spot dazzles, hypnotizing the peahen and signaling the monsoon's arrival. Peacocks forage for seeds and insects, their loud calls warning of danger. Despite their size, they're agile, flying to safety when threatened. Revered in Indian culture, the peacock is a living symbol of grace and beauty, thriving in wild forests and villages alike. To see a peacock in full display is to witness India's wild spirit in motion. High in the remote reaches of the Himalayas, where the air is thin and the peaks touch the sky, the Himalayan monal glows with impossible color, emerald, copper, and sapphire shimmering against the endless snow. Its feathers catch the sunlight, turning the bird into a living gem, dazzling anyone lucky enough to spot it. This remarkable pheasant forages tirelessly, digging for roots and insects beneath the tough alpine turf. As it searches for food, it aerates the soil, turning over earth and helping seeds sprout, playing a quiet but vital role in the health of its mountain ecosystem. When winter's chill descends and snow blankets the high slopes, the monal moves down to sheltered valleys, adapting with ease to the harsh mountain life. Its resilience allows it to survive where few other birds can. During the spring, the male's courtship is a subtle yet mesmerizing show of color, fanning out his vibrant feathers and letting out a ringing whistle that echoes through the valleys, hoping to attract a mate. Shy and swift, the monal is a flash of color darting through a stark, rugged landscape. Its quick movements and brilliant plumage make it both elusive and unforgettable. Once hunted for its dazzling feathers, the Himalayan monal is now protected by law, a symbol of the wild spirit and resilience of the Himalayas, and a testament to the power of conservation. Today, the monal is a living jewel, cherished by mountain communities and vital to its alpine home. Its presence is a reminder of the delicate balance between people and nature in these breathtaking mountains. In India's rainforests, the great hornbill soars, giant, striking, and vital. Its massive yellow casque and powerful beak make it unmistakable, but its true importance lies in its role as a seed disperser. Feeding on fruit, especially figs, it plants new trees as it travels, keeping the forest alive. The female seals herself in a tree cavity to nest, relying on the male for months of food and protection. This unique nesting makes them vulnerable to habitat loss and hunting. Revered in tribal cultures, the hornbill's survival now depends on conservation and community action. The great hornbill is the forest's farmer. Without it, the jungle's future is uncertain. On the woodland floor, the Indian pitta, navrang, flashes 9 dazzling colors. Shy and ground-dwelling, it flicks through leaf litter for insects, its call a clear 2-note whistle at dawn and dusk. This tiny bird migrates vast distances, breeding in the north and wintering in the south. Its arrival is celebrated by birdwatchers, its presence a sign of a healthy forest. More often heard than seen, the pitta is a natural pest controller and a symbol of hidden beauty. Even the smallest birds can be nature's most brilliant gems. The forest floor, alive with color, is guarded by this secretive jewel. Along India's rivers, the common kingfisher flashes blue, a sapphire dart over water. Perched above the stream, it scans for fish, then dives with lightning speed, emerging with its catch. It nests in riverbank tunnels, both parents caring for the young. The kingfisher's presence signals clean water and a thriving ecosystem. Sensitive to pollution and habitat loss, it's a living indicator of river health. In Indian folklore, it's a symbol of luck and prosperity. Protecting kingfishers means protecting the lifeblood of India's landscapes. We've journeyed through India's wild places, exploring the hidden corners of forests and the open skies above rivers and fields. Along the way, we've met birds that color its skies with their vibrant wings and fill the air with their unique calls. These birds are not just beautiful, they are vital, keeping ecosystems alive and healthy. Each one is a masterpiece of nature's design. Peacock, monal, hornbill, pitta, kingfisher, each with its own story, its own role in the web of life. These birds are woven into the land and culture, inspiring art, music, and folklore across generations. Their presence signals healthy forests and rivers. They are indicators of balance and abundance in nature. But their loss warns of a world out of balance. Deforestation, pollution, and climate change threaten these avian wonders, putting their future and ours at risk. The fading of birdsong is a warning we cannot ignore. When birds fall silent, it means something vital is missing from our world. Protecting birds begins with understanding and grows into action, supporting conservation, preserving habitats, and making better choices in our daily lives. By saving India's birds, we safeguard our own future, ensuring clean air, water, and a thriving environment for all. The dance of the peacock, with its dazzling feathers, and the song of the pitta echoing through the forest, must inspire us to act before it's too late. Our shared responsibility is to ensure these treasures endure, so that future generations can marvel at their beauty and learn from their resilience. Let's protect this priceless heritage for generations to come, working together to keep India's skies alive with the wonder of birds.